Good morning, everyone. This is Daniel, the Sergeant Chief Student Meteorologist for the Severe Weather Center Weather Forecast Office in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today's weather, and it's going to be cloudy with showers this afternoon. And it's going to be high 13 degrees Celsius. It feels like 11 degrees. Becoming windy with a wind warning in effect for Edmonton and area. Just to let everyone know, it's going to be some power outages later in the day. And the wind is coming from the northwest at 42 kilometers per hour. Wind gusts will be 78 kilometers per hour. Relative humidity 75%, and our pressure will be falling. It will be 98.0 kilopascals. And then tonight it will be a few flurries overnight with a low 0 degrees Celsius. And with a wind chill be cycling -6. It's going to be cold overnight. As we look at the 4-day weather forecast, I know we're going into the weekend. And then on Saturday, a few flurries with a high is 1 degree Celsius and the low will be -5 degrees Celsius. And then on Sunday, mostly cloudy. High 3 degrees and low -7 degrees. And then on Monday is mostly cloudy with a high -11 and a low -5 can be a low -11 degrees Celsius. It's going to be really cold on next week. And then on Tuesday, it's mainly sunny. High -2 degrees Celsius and low -5 degrees Celsius. Now let's look at the almanac. Yesterday's high it was 14 degrees Celsius. And yesterday's low is 1 degree Celsius. The warmest temperature was in 1947 at 22.8 degrees Celsius. That's exactly 72 years ago. And then the coldest temperature was in 1919 at -26.1 degrees Celsius. That was the cold year. It was 100 years old. And now you can follow me at www.thejournalsweatherman.com and download the Accurate Weather app and follow Weather Underground to get your community's local 4-day weather forecast. And thank you for watching and have a great weekend and see you on Monday.